Sweet and juicy pork shish kebabs. That is what I'm making today, and you're gonna want to watch this video because this is a one-of-a-kind recipe that I always get asked for, but I've never given it out. I made this recipe 30 years ago for my restaurant, and today I'm gonna reveal it for the first time. So let's do it. So we're taking this pork butt roast and we're cutting it up into nice sized cubes for our marinade to make kebabs, and these are going to turn into just pieces of candy, pieces of meat candy. So just cut a piece off, a manageable piece like that, and if there's any large chunks of fat you can remove it. Like there's a fairly large chunk still. Actually that's all fat, so I'll remove that, and then I just move that over. What I'm going to do is just cut it into a couple strips, and then you just cut it into cubes and continue to do that till the butt roast is all cut up. So the amount that I'm using is for a large batch because these are so incredible. I want a large batch. I will put a list in the description of what to use for a 5-pound pork butt. All right, now to mix the marinade, the fun part. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some lemons and we're going to squeeze the lemons in here. Orange juice for a little acidity. Get some spices. We got onion powder. Then we're going to add honey and molasses to make it good and sweet. Grated garlic cloves, soy sauce, water and oil. So now you're going to start stirring this, and you have to stir for probably 10 minutes or more because the honey is very thick and it takes a while to mix in with the other ingredients. So take your time and make sure you mix this up well before you add the meat. So I've been mixing this for 10 minutes or so. It's starting to all mix together. You can tell because it's well, you can tell because it's all in liquid. So now it's time to add the pork. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up and get the marinade all over this, and then we're going to let this set in the fridge for a minimum of 3 days and up to 4, and I'm going to stir it daily. These have been marinating almost 4 days. They smell beautiful. It's time to put them on kebab sticks. Get them ready for the barbecue. Take a kebab stick and just simply thread the meat through the center and continue till you get to the top. Leave as less wood exposed as possible because if you leave any exposed when you barbecue it, it will burn. So you don't want that. You want to thread them the whole way to the top. There's nothing, no wood showing. And the bottom piece, what we'll do is we'll just put a piece of tin foil along the barbecue, and that will stop it from burning. So continue that until they are all done. Long, slow, boring process, but worth it in the end because these things taste incredible. The pork shish kebabs have been marinating for 4 days. They're ready to put on the barbecue. Barbecue them is the only way to do these. If you try any other method, they won't turn out near as good. And when you do these on the barbecue, from all the honey and the molasses, they're definitely difficult to do. So I'll give you a few tricks just to help you not burn them. And also, this is the first time that I'm giving this recipe out. I kept it for a secret for about 30 years, so I'd really appreciate. Hit that subscribe button, make these, and let me know how they turned out. So what we're going to do first before we put them on the barbecue is I got a piece of tin foil. It's the length of my barbecue. I'm going to fold this up one half, and then I'm going to fold it one more time. And, okay, so we got this. We'll put this out front, and when we put the kebabs on, the sticks will come out over that, and that will prevent them or help them not to burn. And the barbecue you do not want on high. You want it on about 300, 350. We're going to cook these a little bit slow because it's easy to burn them, and you want your barbecue nice and clean, and you want to watch these all the time. All right, so I'm going to put a few of these on, and while I'm putting these on, I just wanted to tell you about, I have another video with the recipe similar to this, and they're done in pork bellies. And what do I call them? It's a tongue twister. Sweet pork belly kebabs. You're definitely going to want to try them out. So what I'll do is I'll put a link up there in the corner, and if you want to wait till the end of the video, I'll put it on the end screen. But check it out, they're awesome. So as you can see how I have the tin foil, you want that so these don't burn. Sometimes they still do burn. So let's see, move them around a little bit to break them free, and then flip them. Look at the nice little grill marks there. They're beautiful. You're gonna really enjoy these. I know I probably said that a few times, but they're just beautiful. So these are done. They're ready to take off. They're looking beautiful. I cooked them. They're about 15 minutes on about 350. You know, it ranged from 300 to 350. But look how the grill marks are on them and how juicy they are. I'll pick one more up, see if it. Make sure you get a good shot. Like, oh, that's just delicious. Okay, so we're gonna let these cool for about 5 minutes so I don't burn my face off. But I have done it in the past because they're hard not to eat when they come right off the barbecue. So I'll be back. We'll try it here in a couple minutes. They're cooled down, ready to try. They look great. Look, they have a nice little glaze of honey and molasses over them. There's only 3 things left to do. Please hit the subscribe. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. And come back and let me know how you make out. You have to make these. And then if you like hot sauce, definitely put in a little sriracha because the sweet and the spicy, it's beautiful. So look at that. It's like a piece of candy. It's beautiful. You'll love it. Have a good day. Thanks.